Welcome to MyDraw. Today let's talk about mail merge. If you want to create many documents out of one template document, you can easily perform a mail merge with MyDraw. You can either save the result of the mail merge on your device as different files, or you can send the files by email to a number of chosen recipients. The mail merge commands of MyDraw are located in the Mailings ribbon tab. To configure mail merge, begin by selecting a mail merge source. You can choose between Excel, CSV, ODBC, OLEDB, SQL Server, and Oracle Server files. Let's try it with an Excel file. Click on the Select Recipient button. In the wizard that opens, follow the steps to select and configure a mail merge data source. If the first row of your file has the column names, click on the checkbox. Use the Match Fields editor to check if the columns are matched with MyDraw's fields. After selecting a mail merge data source is completed, you can begin inserting mail merge fields into the text fields of shapes. Click on the Insert Greeting Line button. Choose the type of greeting line from the drop-down menu and set other options. You can highlight the field with the Highlight Merge Fields button. Use the Preview Mail Merge button to see the results of the mail merge for the current record. To see the mail merge result from a different record, simply use the Mail Merge Record Navigator that is located below the Preview Mail Merge button. Merge and Save ribbon button executes the mail merge operation, creates a set of resulting documents, and saves them to disk in the file format of your choice. All generated documents will be saved in the folder, with the file name having an appended suffix showing the incrementally based record index of the resulting document, i.e. mailmerge_1.pdf, mailmerge_2.pdf, etc. The Merge and Send ribbon button executes the mail merge operation, creates a set of resulting documents, and sends them as attached files to email messages to a set of recipients. Fill in the dialog fields. Note that mandatory fields are marked with an asterisk. After entering your email sending options, click the OK button. MyDraw will then start generating and sending the email messages, displaying a progress dialog while they are being sent.